Oh, I go on with them Batty Boy, Shaquille and Michael Phillips. Anytime I see them, have to kill them. Burn out the chichi man and them. Me the fuck with boys. Anytime I see them, make sure Bambo kill a Batty Boy. Me the fuck with them. They never show their face in a high daylight. They only happy in the fucking night time. Because man home in the night, they want to come out. But when we on the road in the morning, afternoon man I see them because they home cuddle up in the bed. Batty man like them, I call out me name, have to kill them right now, they have to dead. Anytime I see them, me go bust them head. Show them bamboo, go kill them dead. Me the fuck with them. When they see me on the road, they want to hear me, but just pass them. They want to put me in a Batman story. My bundo mingle with Batman. Anytime see them, me go lay them down. Hey, half a bus off them body first. Back days we run Batty Boy out them house. Bang Batty Boy bust their head in the house. Like na go station, I call the cop. Cop come from and get locked up. So if you want that with me, anytime I see you, boy, you looking beef. Me go done you when me see you on the road. Me go knock you one thumb, cross your head back. Shaquille, me they like you. So what the fuck you a pre me for? Michael Phillips, me nah go hear you. Cause when you hear me, me pass you straight because you gay. Y'all two is a Batman undercover, Batman the lip down a extension. Y'all is a two bullet man fall. They make me see y'all put one in your heart. Batty Boy, B-boy, man mix me in a fucking story. Fuck I'm Teddy. And I talk to boss. I want fucking dope fake profile. Go in a man profile and I take man picture. I want for fucking dope gay text and put my picture of my believer man do that tall. You know, I go end so.